It's Ellie Nick out at Sport Wheels going into the pipe section. This lean tube's full of pipes. Ones on the outside are a little crusty, but these ain't. All the ones hanging inside are not bad, but there's a whole bunch of containers full. Look, container full of most of them brand new. They're brand new pipes off. Look, some of them are still in plastic. Pipes still in the boxes. Pipes, whole container full. This one's not. This one has some pipes. Pipes, brand new ones, and then this whole building is full of pipes. These are all new pipes, and this is a big building. It's dark in here. There's no light, just my flashlight. These are all new pipes that came off bikes. 2004. Because people put headers on their bikes. So all these are factory stock exhaust. You're looking for a factory stock exhaust, it's probably in this building. And there's two sides of this. This is one row and there's another row over there. It's a lot of pipes. And they're clean. They're not rusty or nothing. They haven't been out in the weather. Now, identifying them for me is a different story, or we would need Joe to identify them. But if you're looking for a pipe, some are tagged to say what they're from. Like that's from a 2007 VTX 1800T. So if you're looking for a pipe, want you put your bike back to stock, hit me up. Might just have what you're looking for. There's a lot of pipes here. But do it soon because winter's coming, and once the snow falls, ain't getting back here. This is at the very corner of the yard. Oh, there's a cool little solar seat up there. That could be a Bates. Better check it out. See what that is. Nope, ain't a Bates, but it's a cool little seat. Cool little chopper seat. There's stuff everywhere here, man. You just start digging. You find anything you want here. Look, all brand new. Look like Triumph for maybe 650 Yamaha pipes. Aftermarket. Better fairings. Alright, see you guys. Have a good day.